bird, and currently I'm stuck to Stockton.
And we
have a
bird.
special guest who is Brooks. Right. Oh my gosh! Please.
Oh, I can't get off you. Ooh. Oh, I glitched.
What the heck?
Wee.
Stop.
I'm trying to get off. I need to turn this up. Oh my gosh.
What is happening?
I don't know. Ooh. Oh yeah. This is weird. Yes.
Yes,
Whoa.
right.
I'm flying down. I hurt my leg. Ooh. I think. That would hurt. Oh, here's a toothbrush. I don't know why there's a toothbrush. Where did you
Oh my gosh.
Hey, jerk.
There's a duck driving a car. No!
I fit. Wait. I'm flying. Ducks. Oh. Hello. Purple duck, you like me?
What is this? What?
Wait.
It's like poisonous gas.
Oh.
No!
I'm stuck. What will I do? My leg is red.
Come here, look, here.
Wait.
Watch, look, over here. Look at it.
What the? Where? What the?
Yeah,
Where am I gonna
if you step in there, you turn into chicken. What? I am the evil bird.
I am the chicken hot dog and bologna.
Yeah.
Macaroni,
Dancing.
Loggy log. That was crazy. Lobby.
What?
Lobby cry.
Ah!
Hey.
So where are you?
I'm stuck under this. No. Yes. I am the
No.
small bird.
Stop. What? Oh my, what is happening? He's taking me up into space.
Go away, bro.
Let go of me. Yo, it's lagging.
Roll.
I better. I have the.
I'm up
Yo.
in space. Yes. No. Yo. Yum, ice cream.
Yo, I've got like an umbrella on my head.
A hat. A hat. Oh my gosh, I didn't get. I am
I'm going to bed.
Jazz.
Just talking, look at this. Look.
Don't twerk at me.
Yeah, I'm dancing.
Look at this.
No one can.
I'm doing that too, James.
Yeah. Wait, where are you? Oh, you're over there.
Oh, it's chicken.
Is that you? You have a hat on. You grabbed onto me. No, let go of me. Let go of me.
Hey guys.
No. I have the umbrella on my head.
Where are you? Oh, hello. Hey, I'm taking you for a swingy ride.
No.
Brooks, guys, stop. Brooks, stop. Stop moving. I have this other bird that
No, Brooks, go into that like weird like glowing stuff over there.
It sounds so
No,
weird.
don't push me in.
I am a pretty bird.
No, he's gonna push me in.
No, I'm a
No,
pretty
he's gonna-
bird. No, James.
Stop!
I'm
He's
gonna
gonna push
save
me
you.
in. Brooks pushed me in.
No.
He pushed me.
Brooks, you're a jerk.
How is that possible? Brooks?
Come on, Brooks, move.
No.
I want to grab you. Come back here.
I am
no.
the floppy bird.
I will not let you. I
flop.
don't like you. Oh yes.
Yo,
No.
you,
Okay. No. Don't torque.
yo, how do you put these? How did I get that
yes.
on my?
Oh,
What?
Brooks. Oh my gosh, my head.
Dude, I stepped on a taco and it went flying.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, what the? Huge donut.
Ow! Jeez, that was a huge hot dog.
It's my nest.
Are we small or what?
Yo, I don't know.
Oh,
Help me, my neck is stuck. Help me.
I'm a completely
I am a disgrace.
big blob of
I am a blobby.
brown.
Blobby blob
I
blob.
don't know.
It's a mating dance.
Blob.
Dance, dance. Torque, torque.
Wait.
What the heck is that?
It's a
My head is stuck. No.
yeah.
Oh, I'm bringing a bubble here.
Yo.
Jake,
Oh my gosh.
if you see this big bubble, that's me. Oh,
Yeah. Sound like this.
jeez. Let me. Oh, why is this thing flying?
Ooh,
My
a
head is-
hat.
Connected to it.
Come here. Hat.
Jeez, this is.
Yo,
a
how do you
weird
grab
game.
the hat?
Ah.
Someone come to me.
Why is my head stuck to this big clear ball?
Wait, I thought I saw a cave.
James, where are you?
James, come to me.
James, come to the like red and yellow.
Oh man, I thought I saw a cave.
Jeez. Ah.
Come to me, James.
Oh, I did.
Jump. Ow.
Oh, SCP, bro.
Okay, where
What?
are you?
I'm dying. I'm. Ooh. Is this Five Nights at Freddy's? I'm dying.
Then don't die. Oh yay, I'm
Ah.
getting a donut.
Dude, look. I died. There's a freaking like SCP. So there's like an SCP thing that you just go in.
Oh, I'm fine.
Son, come on. There's SCP thing in this mountain.
I can't see.
See, look. There's like a rusty.
I'm pulling a brown thing.
Oh, you catch. Your feet go on fire when you walk in there.
Where's the brown thing? Yes, there's a microwave.
That's me, the blue one.
What? So look at. Okay, I'm gonna go in there again.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Oof, I
is
died.
that Shy Guy? Stockton, is that Shy Guy?
Yeah, that's right, guys.
Oh, he's down here. I think so. Cause look, if you walk over here.
Okay, Jim. Ew, is this heat?
Wee! I'm going up to space!
See, watch.
No! These kids!
Okay, so there's chicken down here?
I can't see anything.
That's. Whoa! What the frick is that? There's like this weird head. Oh, that is so scary.
Yo,
Oh my gosh.
I don't.
No! I'm stuck in a cave.
I could not see what was happening. Oh man.
Whoa! Jeez.
There's just gonna be a head looking at you.
James!
This.
Look, I'm going!
Hello. Hi. That's me. Come down here.
Where's the.
I'm gonna wake up my
Dumb
butt to
cave.
you.
No. Come down here, Brooks.
Where's
Too
the.
bad I can't see.
Weird.
I'm right here. Yo, I'm back.
My hat!
Yo, I can't even
Yeah.
see, and I'm just.
Bye. I'm going in the office.
Someone ran me over. That hurt.
I'm going out, James. I'm outside.
Where's this cave that you guys are talking about?
Look, it's this.
Disco.
Behind that.
I kicked it.
Burks, is that you?
I kicked the head.
I'm the purple
I
one.
don't like this cave. I kicked the head. I kicked the head.
Is this Five Nights at Freddy's?
Here it is.
Hey,
That's me.
I have a party hat on. I can show you guys down there. Yes. My head is stuck. Oh. Yo, I got my head stuck.
Am I getting shot or what?
I'm dancing.
It's the cupcake from the cupcake maker. Jeez, why are there so
Okay.
much party hats?
Wait a second. Can you close the door?
Don't know. Click! Click!
It
Down
won't
here.
let me close.
James,
Bye-bye.
come to
Oh,
my
let me
wiggle
down.
party. Come to
Bye-bye.
my wiggle party.
Okay.